Parsley is a flowering plant native to the Mediterranean. This one plant is known to have various health benefits, one of which is for diet. The benefits of parsley for the diet can be obtained by mixing it with other ingredients, such as lemon and cucumber. The combination of these ingredients helps the fat-burning process. Parsley itself has long been used to treat certain medical conditions such as high blood pressure, allergies, to inflammation. Parsley is also rich in antioxidant compounds that can prevent cell damage from exposure to free radicals. Here are some antioxidants contained in parsley, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and vitamin C. With a variety of nutrients possessed, parsley provides many health benefits. 1. Maintain bone health. Citing Healthline, vitamin K in parsley is an important nutrient for bone health. Vitamin K helps build stronger bones and increases bone mineral density. 2. Prevent and fight cancer. The antioxidant compounds in parsley, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, can help reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of certain cancers. Intake of foods high in flavonoids has been found to reduce the risk of colon cancer. 3. Maintain eye health. Carotenoid compounds such as lutein and zeaxanthin in parsley can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. The beta-carotene in parsley has also been found to keep the eyes healthy. 4. Maintain heart health. Folate intake was found to reduce the risk of heart disease. Parsley contains 11% of the daily requirement of folate. 5. Benefits of parsley for the diet. Quoting Boldsky, a drink made from parsley can help eliminate toxins and lose weight if taken regularly before bed. The benefits of parsley for the diet are obtained from its rich fiber content, which can suppress appetite.